Question: what is meant by cloud computing? Answer: cloud computing is the high-level abstraction procedure that focuses on business logic. This is a service delivered via the internet that aids you with the computing services without laying much importance on the infrastructural needs, just like the electric supply. Question: what is the scalability in cloud computing? Answer: scaling is one of the advantages of cloud computing. Vertical scaling, where the configuration yields to increase the existing capacity of the machine. Just like expanding the size of the RAM from 4 GB to 32 GB. Horizontal scaling is an aspect where the physical aspect is increased, like putting multiple machines at work instead of replacing the existing machine. Question: what is meant by PaaS and IaaS? Answer: these are the basic terms while dealing with the cloud services. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service, that enables you to get a platform to deliver without directly giving authorization to the OS software. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, is devoid of platform infrastructure software that can be used without direct purchase. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service, which enables you to get the hardware from the provider as the desired service, which can be configured by the user. Question: what are the various models available for cloud deployment? Answer: there are 3 models available for cloud deployment. A. Public cloud. B. Private cloud. C. Hybrid cloud. Question: what is Azure Virtual Machine? Answer: Azure Virtual Machines are on-demand computing resources or virtual machines offering Microsoft Azure. We can typically use a VM as a service when required and shut down the system when not in use. The Azure Virtual Machines are listed under the Infrastructure as a Service (IaaS) category in Azure. With Azure Virtual Machines, we get more control over the environment to customize the development environment or hosting. Question: define Azure Virtual Machine scale sets. Answer: these are the Azure computation resources that can be used to deploy and manage sets of identical virtual machines, VMs. These scale sets are configured in the same manner and are designed to support the auto-scaling of the applications without the need for pre-provisioning of the VMs. They help to build large-scale applications targeting big data and containerized workloads in an easier manner. Question: can I copy or clone an existing Azure VM? Answer: yes. Using managed images, you can create an image of a virtual machine and then use the image to build multiple new VMs. Question: what is Azure Blob Storage? Answer: Azure Blob Storage is the object storage solution provided by Microsoft for the cloud. Blob stands for Binary Large Object. Blob-based storage is used to store massive unstructured data in terms of text or binary format. It is ideal for serving documents/images/audio/video/text directly to browser. Question: what are the types of storage services apart from blob storage provided by Azure? Answer: Azure provides overall 4 types of storage services: blob service, table storage, queue storage, and file storage services. Question: what are the tools you will use to create the VMs? Answer: you can use the below tools to configure the Azure VMs. D. Azure Portal. E. PowerShell. F. Azure CLI. Question: what is NSG? Answer: NSG stands for Network Security Group, that has a list of ACL, access control list, rules which either allows, denies network traffic to subnets or NICs, network interface card, connected to a subnet or both. When NSG is linked with the subnet, then the ACL rules are applied to all the virtual machines in that subnet. Question: what is Azure Active Directory? Answer: Azure AD is a cloud-based identity and access management service which will help to access the Azure resources like Azure Subscription, other application. You can integrate Azure AD to O365, SharePoint Online, etc. Question: how can I connect my on-premises directory to Azure AD? Answer: you can connect your on-premises directory to Azure AD by using Azure AD Connect. Question: what is Azure RBAC? Answer: Azure Role-Based Access Control. Azure RBAC helps you manage who has access to Azure resources, what they can do with those resources, and what areas they have access to. Question: what is Azure policy? Answer: policies are sets of rules that specify what can and cannot be created in either a single resource group or a full subscription.